Hello and welcome to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Unicorn and this is
Harry Potter.
And today we are making
Halloween pancakes.
Halloween pancakes. Okay, to start, we always need to make sure there's a drip tray underneath the drip holes on the flat top. So Harry, can you help me out and take a peek? Is there a drip tray in there?
What are those two things?
Those are the burners. Is there a drip tray down there?
Drip tray.
Drip tray, check. Next, we need to start warming the flat top. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and please make sure that only adults are operating the flat top and no children are doing this alone. I'm going to turn the flat top burners on to a low medium because I do not want the pancakes to get scorched. We don't want to burn all the pancakes, do we?
And not to burn all fall and Halloween stuff.
Yeah, that would be terrible. So we're going to turn them on to medium low and let the flat top warm up before we start actually applying the batter. All right, we're pretty close. So let's go ahead and add some oil to the top. Do you want to add the oil? Please do. Carefully take the red cap off and make sure your sleeves aren't going to hit the burner. Do you need help? Okay, good job, buddy. And then I want you to just put some and we'll spread it out. But just put some on there and up here at the back. That's all right. Let me do the back part so you don't get hurt because you're just shy of being tall enough to reach all the way back there. Now, can you grab your spatula? Okay, spatula. And can you spread it out a little bit for me over there? Hockey here. Okay, let's check our temperature one more time and see if we are at the right one. We're at 200. Well, that might be a little warm, so we can go ahead and turn that down and off because the flat top is so awesome that it will hold temperature for quite a while. And if we need to, we can turn it right back on to get it heated. So you are going to make a pancake now. What are you going to make first?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin. And I'm going to make a
Cauldron.
A cauldron. Okay, so let me show you what to do first. You got to do the outline.
What's that?
You know, make the outline of the pumpkin first.
The outside of the drawing of,
Yeah.
On a pancake
Yep.
first?
Yep,
Oh.
and don't fill in the eyes or anything, but you can make the eyes. We'll fill them in with maybe the white color.
I'm not making eyes, okay? I'm gonna do something there.
Okay, well let's just see what happens. I'm not sure what will come of yours, but we'll just go with it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now very carefully, watch how it comes out, turn it over. Let me do this one first to show you. So I'm gonna do a cauldron. I'm gonna make a little top to the bowl. And then I'm gonna go around like this. If it gets a little clumpy, I gotta shake it. Oh, I'm gonna get a clump. There we go, that's all right. These don't have to be perfect because Mikey will eat pancakes.
Yum! Pink!
And then I'm gonna make a handle, right?
Mm-hmm. And don't forget the,
Okay, I gotta fill this in and I gotta put what on there?
oh,
Green bubbles.
yeah.
Can you hand me the green?
And green steam, right?
Green steam.
Yeah, coming up there, up there.
Okay, so I gotta put some green bubbles on the top here. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. This will be tricky, Mikey.
Making bubbles?
No, flipping it. You gave me the hard one. And we need steam. Woo!
Whoa!
And this is gonna be another big bubble because I can feel a clump. Whoop. Woo. Okay, there's my cauldron. I gotta let that cook for a little bit.
That looks beautiful.
Thanks, you're so nice.
That's perfect.
Thanks, buddy. You want to try to do your pumpkin?
Yeah,
Okay,
I know how to make a pumpkin.
go for it. Now, if you feel it lumpy, then go ahead and give it a shake. Yep. Go for it. There you go. It's coming out. There you go.
I'm gonna fill it up a little bit there.
I can see that. Yep. Oh, yeah.
So, and now I can fill it in, right?
This is very much a gourd, so you're doing really good.
But,
Do you want to give it a green stem?
yeah.
Okay. Can you give it a green stem? Now you filled it in, so we won't be able to put eyes on this one, but maybe your next one, okay?
No, I can't. I'm going to make 2 pumpkins.
Okay, put your green stem up there.
I'm going to make it how we bake the eyes and everything.
Oh, okay.
But like a diagram.
Sure. That's good. That's a perfect stem. Look at that. Okay, now we need to let them cook for a little bit, and they'll get a little bubbly on top, and that's how we know they're ready to go. Look at all the pancakes we made, Mikey. Do you think they're great?
Let's get them off there.
Let's get them off of there.
Uh-huh.
Did you have fun cooking on the flat top?
Yeah.
Yep. What was your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything. There we go.
Because look how much we did to make all these pancakes.
They look great. Harry, are you ready to eat? Can you use a spell and get all those pancakes on that plate for me?
Yeah. God and Mariota.
That was awesome. Way to go. High five. We had a lot of fun making pancakes today in the Steelmade Test Kitchen. If you have any questions about the products used today, please visit our website at steelmadeusa.com. And please subscribe to this channel so that you are alerted to any future recipes that we post. Ready? Happy Halloween!